Hi everyone, this is Weber from Iron Skills. I've thought of creating this video around affiliate marketing so that you guys can understand that what affiliate marketing is, how to start with it, what are the basic challenge people usually face, and is there a future? Can you build your future with affiliate marketing? So in few minutes, I'll guide you about it. So you need to understand first of all what is affiliate marketing. Let's assume I run an education business company, okay? And you want to become my affiliate. So what I'll do that I'll give you a specific URL which you can use to promote my website. And to build that URL or to go ahead and promote any particular website can be mine or someone's site, you need to go ahead and put that URL at the particular place. Let's assume you're promoting us using your WordPress website or a blog, or you want your social channels to go ahead and use. Like Quora is there, you can use Quora in terms of promoting someone else. And then that specific URL will redirect the traffic to our site. अब इसमें अगर कोई sale होती है, let's assume there is a sale which happens from your URL because we can trace that. There are certain tools that this sale happens from this person. Then there is a certain percentage of commission which we set as an affiliate marketer. So let's say मैंने आपके साथ एक commission set करा that you will get 10% or 20% if someone purchases our course with your reference. In that case, if any sale happens, any ticket gets sold, you will get in the end the exact percentage which is being set to you while signing up as an affiliate marketer. Now, how to start with it? To start with affiliate marketing, the basic thing which you require is that you should have your own WordPress site or any website so that you have a platform. Usually, if you observe, Quora, Medium, all these sites won't allow you to go ahead and do affiliate marketing. Even if they do, they may can block you very soon. Second thing, the most important challenge. Uh, there are a lot of customization people need to go ahead and have if that is their own site. And on the third party side, it's impossible. So recommended is that you should know or you should have your own website or you should understand the WordPress thing. Second thing, अगर आपको कंटेंट डेवलप करना नहीं आता है, if you do not know how to write a content, how to develop that, please do not go ahead and get into affiliate marketing. There are a lot of companies, a lot of institutions talking about it as a future. That if you learn content writing, you'll get this, you'll get huge money. There are a lot of people promoting it, but that's not true. मैं individually करता हूँ content writing, मैं individually affiliate marketing भी करता हूँ. I'll show you everything that what exactly the future is, how much money one can earn अगर आप थोड़ा सा decently करते हो on all of that. Second point is, I think challenge wala part we will learn once I'll show you my account. So I am one of the affiliate with SiteGround. So I have multiple accounts. So SiteGround is a web hosting company which sells hosting. Hosting is a platform जो कि आपको चाहिए होता है अगर आपको अपनी वेबसाइट को रन करना है. So as you know, I run a blog called CourseDeco.com. Using my CourseDeco ID, I am one of the affiliate with SiteGround. So I'll just log in and show you that how exactly the functionality works. So if you want to become their affiliate, you have to simply go ahead at SiteGround, and there is a link that you can also become affiliate. Similarly, there are hundreds of other sites, GoDaddy. Then you have HostGator. There are so many other sites. आप सबके साथ sign up कर सकते हो, and you can go ahead and become their affiliate marketer. आपको stats and reports में जाना होता है, जहाँ पे आप देखते हो कि आपकी monthly commission कितनी है, and आपका payout. Now, if you can see in last few months, जो मेरा report है, जैसे last month I have sold for around $200 ideally. और उससे पहले वाले महीने में भी आइडली 150 और समथिंग लाइक दैट होगा. पास्ट में भी कुछ ऐसा होगा. अब जो biggest challenge है, the most important thing which you need to understand, this is with this company, and of course there are few others, and I'm an affiliate with all of these guys. I promote them to go ahead and sell their hostings which they provide for WordPress and other dedicated servers and all. Now, the most important challenge, and believe me, I'm just sharing all my own experiences. Once you will start selling, the point is you may observe आपके बहुत सारे products बिक रहे हैं, आपको monthly $1,000 तक की sale हो रही है, but expect at least आपको $300-400 से ज़्यादा नहीं मिलने वाले, which is close to around 30,000 rupees. लेकिन ये इतना easy नहीं है. मैंने 2015 में started content writing. So since then इस particular subject के ऊपर मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आप content जब develop कर रहे हो, then it takes its own sweet time to go ahead and build up that audience, and then accordingly they will make their purchase decisions from your blog and all that. A point here है that you have sold, but the most important thing which you need to understand is that payout कितने का हो रहा है. So ideally आपको महीने में 100, 150, $200 इससे ज्यादा नहीं होता, और इनका एक ओन टाइम होता है, इसको एक्सटेंड करते रहते हैं if they find the website or the person who have purchased that hosting is not built it or properly built. So if you ask me कि exactly आप कितने पैसे कमा लेते हो, मेरे को ये लगता है that one can go ahead and earn if you're a great person. अगर आप बहुत ही ज्यादा एफिलिएट में जोर लगा रहे हो और आपके पास बहुत सारे niches हैं, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि बहुत टाइम लगता है, बहुत ट्रैफिक बिल्ड करना पड़ता है आपको उसके लिए, then it takes you around minimum, which I personally feel that you will need to go ahead and close to around you can earn $1,000 to $2,000 if you have a decent sale happening, so that approvals can also happen. But harsh reality ये है कि आप in the initial at least 5 साल तो भूल जाओ. There is nothing like that you can earn your bread and butter. See, 30,000 में no one can run their families, right? And it's tough. But if you ask me क्या ये part time करना चाहिए? Yes, I would always recommend if you go ahead and purchase a flat of 30 lakh rupees and then you go ahead and then give it on rent, you get 10,000 rupees rent. बट अगर मेरे को लगता है वो 30 लाख रुपीज को इन्वेस्ट मत करो, उसको सिर्फ 5-10 हजार रुपए के स्किल को इन्वेस्ट करो, एक अच्छी होस्टिंग लो, एक अच्छी वेबसाइट बनाओ एंड वर्क टुवर्ड्स बिल्डिंग अ ग्रेट कंटेंट. आप उस रेंटल इनकम से 3x आराम से 2 साल तक पहुंच सकते हो, एंड फिर वो स्टेबल है, वो कहीं नहीं जाता है. इफ यू डू इट वेल, आपको थोड़ा बहुत एसईओ आना चाहिए, आपको कंटेंट राइटिंग के साथ कंटेंट मार्केटिंग समझ में आनी चाहिए. If you understand these concepts, then it's really good. आप इसको build करो, it's a great future. And then challenges जब मैं बात करता हूँ, जो सबसे बड़ा challenge है with these affiliate companies are, ये आपको वैसे टाइमली पैसा देती हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. You should have a PayPal account. आप पैसे टाइम पे ले सकते हो, but the challenge is आपकी अगर 10 सेल होती है उसमें से अप्रूवल 3 का ही आता है. So say आपने 100 अकाउंट्स बेचे, आपने close to around 30 ही in short अप्रूवल होगी. So 30 accounts अगर आप month में $30 भी average देते हो, so you will earn around 60-70,000 rupees. But again, एक request है, do not fall in that trap. जो कि most of the programs अगर आप देखो इंटरनेट पे, I'm not at all promoting affiliate marketing या फिर मैं कोई course promote नहीं कर रहा हूँ in this particular video. All I'm saying is that there is a myth in the market. A lot of youth, because youth काम करना नहीं चाहती है, but that's what I personally feel, that youth believes कि affiliate करके I'll earn lakhs. No, it's not that easy. There are a lot of people जो आपको ऐसी fake income दिखा के may go ahead and try to sell their products to you, that you learn my course, you do this. No, you have to go ahead and really, really work hard. And the basics of this, especially I'm talking about from a point of view जहाँ पे digital marketing word use होता है. There are a lot of institutions talking about digital affiliate marketing, how to make money using affiliate and all. Believe me, जैसे मैंने अपना account खोल के दिखाया है, ask them to open up the account like this, genuine account. No one will talk about it. Trust me. किसी की images मत देखना. There are a lot of people who will tell you the commission desk. आप side ground पे अपना भी account बना के देख सकते हो. मैं आपको अपने सारे accounts बता सकता हूँ, और मैं reality बता रहा हूँ. There is nothing so big thing that कि आप इतने ज़्यादा कमाओगे. You have to work really, really, really hard. Industry में कुछ बहुत अच्छे bloggers हैं, those who are really, really dependent on content for their entire life. उनके lavish lifestyle है. लेकिन if you look at वो पिछले 10 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, और आपके पास 10 साल का वो सेल करते हुए वो भी सेट नहीं करते. They sell you like आप कोर्स करो and then in next 5 months you are going to be India's best affiliate marketer. No dear, it's not the fact. आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, और बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Content writing is a boring job, trust me. आप बहुत ज्यादा मतलब stagnant फील करोगे एक टाइम के बाद, मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ. It takes its own time, लेकिन वर्थ है. आज आप कंटेंट राइटिंग करो, आप एक वेबसाइट बनाओ, and you ask me that is there a future, I will always say it's a future for part time thing. You will reach in a year's time कि 10-15 हजार की स्टेबल इनकम, देन कीप ऑन डूइंग। एक टाइम आएगा 10 साल का जब आप उस लेवल पे आ जाओगे कि अब आपके पास एक एसेट है विच कैन पे यू। लेकिन डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट अपॉन एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग। हर बंदा एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग अच्छे से नहीं करता, मैं भी नहीं कर पाता, दैट्स द रियलिटी। यू कैन सी माई रिजल्ट्स। मेरे को कितने डॉलर्स आए? $70 पिछले महीने। अगर इस साइट से, अगर मैं इस कंपनी के बेसिस पे, अपनी एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के बेसिस पे अपने घर चला रहा होता, सो ऑल माय ड्यूज, माय क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल्स, मेरे होम लोन की ईएमआई, मेरी गाड़ी की ईएमआई, बच्चे की स्कूल की फीस, तो कौन भरता है? कोई भी नहीं, राइट? सो डोंट फॉल इन दैट ट्रैप। लुक फॉरवर्ड this as a subject, as a part-time thing. Do it. Sweet time lene do isko and do it. If you have any doubt, you have any question, leave a comment below. Let me know if I can help you, I can contribute. And believe me, I will ensure that my advices are unconditional. मैं पीछे कोई ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को बेचने के चक्कर के अंदर आपको ऐसा कुछ नहीं करने वाला. I'll give you the right advice and it's a promise. Okay, so I hope this session was, or this particular video is going to really help you to open up the understanding about what is affiliate marketing, और खास करके इंडिया में इस चीज को how to go ahead and not to believe those people who are actually getting into training programs because of easy money earning and all those things. Thank you. Take care.